and age to read any good news on the newspaper page. And love and tradition of the grand design, some people say it's even harder to find. Well, then there must be some magic clue inside these gentle walls, 'cause all I see is a tower of dreams, real love bursting out of every scene. As days go by, we're gonna fill our house with happiness. The moon may cry, but we'll smother the blues with tenderness. As days go by, there's room for you, room for me, for gentle hearts and opportunity. As days go by, it's the bigger love of the family.
Good evening, Colt families, and welcome to Open House. My name is Mr. Dixon. I'm proud to share that Coral Springs High School is an A school for the first time since 2013. This does not happen by accident. It's the result of focused teaching and learning, a community that believes in its students, and a staff committed to excellence. I'm honored to lead our school through this renaissance of achievement. At Springs, students have multiple pathways to success. From AICE Cambridge, a rigorous, globally recognized program that emphasizes critical thinking and can earn students college credit, to advanced placement, challenging college-level courses across subjects with opportunities to earn credit through AP exams, and career and technical education, hands-on learning with industry-recognized certifications that open doors to careers in high-demand fields. This year, we're thrilled to introduce two new programs, Aviation and EMT. Our aviation program will connect students to the science and operations of flight, while EMT will build real-world skills for emergency medical response, both preparing students for certification and immediate next steps after high school. We are equally proud of our Air Force JROTC, where students develop leadership, citizenship, discipline, and service. It's a program that builds character and opportunity. Beyond the classroom, our students shine in athletics and activities, from swimming, band, cheerleading, volleyball, and wrestling, to many more teams and programs that build teamwork, school pride, and lifelong skills. There's truly something for every Colt. Tonight, you will have an opportunity to tour our campus, meet teachers and staff, and explore the wide range of extracurricular activities we offer here at Springs. Please take full advantage, ask questions, make connections, and see firsthand what makes our school special. Our expectation is that every student pursues academic growth while enjoying a rich high school experience in a safe and secure environment. This means no tolerance for bullying or harassment ever. This aligns with our Mission Kindness 2.0 commitment. We hold high standards and lead with empathy, respect, and dignity for every person on our campus. We believe success is a partnership among students, staff, and families. Please check Focus regularly to review grades, attendance, and missing assignments, and talk with your student about what you see. When families stay engaged, students succeed. We're also grateful for our partnerships with the YMCA and our community school. Together, we support students and families with academic help, enrichment, and wraparound services, because we want every student to feel seen, supported, and ready to thrive. With that said, accountability matters. We will always coach with kindness and respect, and we'll also be firm when it comes to non-negotiables. Respect for our teachers and staff, defiance and disrespect are never acceptable. Attendance and punctuality, students must be in school every day, on time, ready to learn. As for dress code, clothing must be appropriate for learning. Revealing items, inappropriate messaging, hats, and scullies are not allowed. If a student is dressed inappropriately, parents, guardians will be contacted to bring suitable clothing. Students will be placed in internal suspension or a learning lab until a change of clothes arrives. Our goal is not to punish, it's to preserve a learning environment where every student can focus and feel comfortable. Thank you for taking the time to attend tonight's open house. We know how busy you are, and we truly appreciate you being here. Together, we can ensure your student succeeds and accomplishes great things beyond high school. For daily updates on what's happening on campus, from curriculum to clubs, activities, and athletics, follow me on X and Instagram. Have a wonderful evening. We are Colts United.